40,000 square feet, 8 bedrooms, 20 bathrooms, and a price tag that will make your jaw hit the floor. Welcome to the biggest mega mansion in Dubai Hills. Let's go. If you are new here, smash that subscribe button right now, because every single week we're getting you inside the most insane homes on the planet. Hit the like button too. It genuinely helps us keep these tours coming. And stay until the end, because I saved the most jaw-dropping room in this entire mansion for last. Trust me, you have never seen anything like it. Okay, before we even step inside, just look at this. We are talking a 42,500 square foot plot, right here in Dubai Hills Estate, overlooking the first hole of the Dubai Hills golf course. The facade, Spanish limestone, hand-selected. These pivot front doors alone are taller than most ceilings in a regular house. The moment they swing open, that 5-meter ceiling height just hits you like a wave. You feel the cool air. You hear your footsteps echo. You smell the fresh flowers. Because yes, this home has a dedicated floral arrangement service. Every single week. And here is what they do not show you in the photos. From this exact spot, you can already see the golf course through the back wall of glass. The whole house is designed around that view. But wait until you see what is hiding in the basement. We're getting there. This is the main entertaining floor, and everything you see here is included in the price. We are talking fully furnished with Menotti sofas, Hermes throws, Loro piano cushions, brands you normally only touch inside a boutique on Rue du Faubourg Saint-Honoré. They are just casually draped over your couch. The floor-to-ceiling glass panels stretch the full width of the room, and when they slide open, the outside just becomes the inside. That is not a garden. That is your living room extension. Smart home automation runs the entire property. Lights, climate, security, entertainment, all on one app. You could be in London, change the pool temperature, and have it ready for when your jet lands. Okay, foodies, this one is for you. This is a Pog and Pole kitchen. That is the German luxury brand that charges more for a drawer pull than most fridges cost. Every appliance. Gagano. The wine fridge alone holds 300 bottles. 300. But here's the thing. This is the show kitchen. The one guests see. There is a second kitchen. The chef kitchen hidden behind it, where the actual cooking happens, so the show kitchen always looks pristine. That is next level hosting. A dumbwaiter. To the basement party hall. I need a moment. 8 bedrooms in this house, and the master suite? It is basically its own apartment. You have got a private sitting room, a walk-in wardrobe the size of a boutique, in-suite bathrooms finished in book-matched Italian marble, and a private balcony right here. With this view, you wake up, you step out here, you have your morning coffee, and you are looking at the Dubai skyline on one side and the greenest fairways you have ever seen on the other. That is your morning. Every morning. And the junior suites are not some afterthought either. Each one feels like a 5-star hotel room with its own personality. But honestly, that is almost secondary to where we are headed next. Right? So you never need to leave. Because they build a full SBA inside the house. We are talking a Hammam-style steam room, a sauna, and not just any sauna, one with a backlit Himalayan salt wall. There are mood lights in there. It literally glows pink. The gym is kitted out with professional equipment, and there is a plunge pool just off the massage room. This is the kind of wellness setup you would pay a 5-star hotel membership for. But it is just your house. And the gym, floor-to-ceiling mirrors, professional cable machines. The owner clearly takes their health as seriously as their real estate. Speaking of which, we have not been outside yet. And outside, that is where things get truly insane. Okay, this is the moment. Step outside and, honestly, I had to take a breath when I first walked out here. The pool is temperature controlled, which in Dubai, non-negotiable. The patio is paved in Italian Romano Classico Travertine. Cream, warm, gorgeous. And the gardens are manicured. Like, not someone comes once a month manicured. Someone is here every day manicured. There's an outdoor kitchen for when you want to host 100 people. Water features that you can hear from the living room. And that golf course view, it literally never gets old. In the evening, the whole garden lights up. Integrated lighting runs along every path and bed. Underwater speakers. Of course. Now, I promised you the most jaw-dropping room in the house. And I have been saving it. Are you ready? Because this is the one. Welcome to the basement. 10 cars. 10. Underground. Climate controlled. The lighting makes every car look like it is in a showroom, because that is exactly what this is. Your personal showroom. But the garage is just the beginning. Through here, the private cinema. Full projection, reclining leather seats, acoustic wall panels, a proper bar at the back. This is not a home cinema. This is a cinema. And next door, the cigar lounge. Custom ventilation, dark walnut paneling. This is a room designed for one thing: sitting down, breathing out, and feeling like you own the world. And then the entertainment hall, big enough for a private event, a product launch, a birthday party for 100 of your closest friends. The dumbwaiter from the kitchen upstairs feeds directly in here. You will never run out of champagne. 40,000 square feet, 8 bedrooms, 20 bathrooms, a spa, a cinema, a 10-car garage, and a price tag of $72.3 million. In Dubai Hills Estate, overlooking the golf course. This is Villa Capri. So, which room would you live in? Drop it in the comments. I genuinely read every single one. Personally, I am moving into that cigar lounge, and I am not coming out. If you love this tour, smash that like button. It takes 1 second and it tells YouTube to show this to more people who love this stuff. And if you are new here and you want to see the most insane luxury homes on the planet every single week, hit subscribe. The bell too, so you never miss a drop. Next week, we are going somewhere that makes this place look like a starter home. I'm not joking. I will see you there.